Hello there, this is Nick from Diamonds Locksmith and Security, where we care about your security. Today we installed the N.C.N.S, no code, no start system. This beautiful Hyundai Veracruz 2012 Limited. That's your N.C.N.S right there. We're going to go ahead and demonstrate how it works. The minute you turn off the car, you have 60 seconds before the device goes into armed mode. If you don't want to wait the 60 seconds, all you have to do is press the star for about 5 seconds. That's it. It's in armed mode now. Here's the key. Try to start the car. Nothing. It won't let you start. And the device is beeping. Only way to start the car is to put in the correct code. And now the car will start. We offer a 5-year warranty on the device. We have a huge problem right now in America with car theft. This is your solution. Call us. Nick, Diamonds Locksmith and Security. Stay safe.